Here, this question number 2. A plus C is equal to B. Given A plus C equal B. Now, what we need to prove? AQ plus CQ. To prove or to show AQ plus CQ plus 3A BC. 3AB C is equal BQ. This is we have to prove here. So AQ plus CQ plus 3ABC equal BQ we need to prove. Now A plus C equal B. Okay, A plus C equal B, which means A minus B plus C equal 0. Okay, A minus B plus C equal 0. We have one identity. If A plus B plus C equal 0, then AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is 0, then AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal 3ABC. So now here also it is following the same types. Okay, A plus minus B plus C equal 0, or AQ plus minus BQ plus CQ equal 3A minus B into C. 3 minus B square of B cube plus C cube equal 3ABC. Since minus is there, so it is written as a minus here. Now, this is value is A cube minus B cube plus C cube minus equal minus 3ABC. Let us bring this one towards this side. A cube plus this is C cube plus 3ABC. Then we can take this minus B cube towards the right hand side. It is equal plus B. Okay. Austin, yeah, welcome Austin after long time. Anyway, just once again, here it is there A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Then we need to show or to prove that A square plus B square plus C square to the power whole square is equal 4 in bracket A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Now, as we know that this is, we need here is square, not the cube. Okay, not the cube. Then what we can get? A plus B plus C equals 0. A plus B plus C. Let us put the square. This also is equal to 0. Okay, so A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice TA also is equal to 0. Now we need here A square plus B square plus C square only. So let us keep A square plus B square plus C square equal, this is we can convert that side. Minus twice AB minus twice BC minus twice DA. Okay. Then A square plus B square plus C square equal minus, let us take common, then 2 AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. So here whole square is required. Whole square is required. So let us apply whole square. A square plus B square plus C square whole square equal minus twice AB plus BC plus CA also whole square. Yes. Then now this is already we have the left hand side we got, the right hand side we must get that value. Now this is equal 4A plus B plus C whole square is there. A plus B plus C whole square. Then we will get here A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC twice B and C plus twice CA. Bracket close. Write down.
Now let us go carry on this right hand side part. That is what we have. A square plus B square plus C square to the power whole square is equal here 4. Then A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Then this is twice AB, twice BC, twice CA. What we can get it here? In all the case, twice ABC we will get. Okay. Here you can see twice ABC, twice ABC, twice ABC. We have in all the case 2 as a common here. So plus twice ABC common. Then inside here it is left B, 1B left. Here it is left, double C's are there. So 1 C left. And here there are 2 A's, double A's are there. So 1 A is left. Close. It's equal for A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square plus twice A B C into, you can see as we had A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B plus C equal to 0. So into 0, then this whole term is become 0. So we will get 4 A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. True. Okay, this is the things we have to find out. If A plus B plus C equals 0, then A square by A square minus in bracket B square plus C square plus b square by b square minus in bracket c square plus a square plus c square divides by c square minus in bracket a square plus b square, which is equal 3 upon 2 or 3 by 2. Here, when we solve in these types, we have to break fast. So how we will get this value or how to break this? First of all, it is given that a plus b plus c equals 0. Then a plus b equal minus c. Okay, a plus b equal minus c. Then a plus c or c plus a equal minus b. Similarly, we'll get b plus c equal minus a. Okay, here all the values are taken as a plus b plus c and c plus a form. And their value we found that a plus b is minus c, b plus c is minus a, and c plus a is minus b. After that, left hand side we take. Left hand side, a square minus b square plus c square in bracket plus b square minus in bracket c square plus a square plus c square in bracket c square minus a square plus b square. Now we have here a square. This is a square minus b square minus c square plus b square minus c square minus a square plus c square minus a square plus b square. Sorry, this is also will get the minus as this form. Okay, just write down. Then we can go ahead next of this step. You can see that a square, this value a square minus b square you have to keep separately. A square minus b square in bracket minus c value is how much? This is. So minus is there. In here minus a plus b, so minus whole square. Okay, then b square divides by again b square minus c square, b square minus c square minus this is minus, then a value is how much? A value is minus a value is b plus c. So a value will be minus b plus c whole square. Okay, plus c square. This is c square minus a square, c square minus a square in bracket minus in place of b square value. In place of b square value, this minus is placed here, another minus, this one in bracket b value is c plus a whole square. Okay, then next of this step, this is a square a plus b, okay, a plus b and a minus b. This is a minus b minus whole square is there. It will become plus a plus b whole square plus same way b square b plus c, okay, b plus c and b minus c. This minus is here, b plus c whole square, because is minus square it become plus b plus c whole square plus at the last we have c square c plus a c minus a, okay, then minus this is minus is a square as positive c plus a whole square, okay, c plus a whole square, c plus a whole square. Then here a plus b, can we take the common? A square, a plus b is taken common, then it is left a minus b minus again left a plus b one more plus, if we take from the second b square, b plus c take common, b plus c is taken common here outside, then what we have here b minus c 1 and this is another b plus c we have. Then at the last c square, c plus a we can take common, c plus a, then c minus a minus this is c plus a, c plus a. Okay, c plus a. Then I have to erase this part. Next, then you can see what we have. The next of this is a square, okay, then a plus b, what we have, a plus b minus c into this is a minus b minus a minus b minus a minus b plus b square, this is b plus c we have minus a in bracket b minus c minus b minus c plus here this is c plus a we have minus b, c square, this is minus b in bracket we have c minus a minus c minus a. Now next of this you can see here a square minus c, this is, and minus a plus a gone, we have minus twice b plus b square minus a into minus b plus b cancel, minus c minus twice c plus c square by we have minus b into this is minus c plus c cancel, minus a minus twice a. After this Let us complete this part. A square twice BC plus B square twice AC or CA plus C square here twice AB. Twice AB. Done? Twice AB. Okay. Now, next of this step, you have to take the LCM of twice BC, twice CA, twice AB. LCM will be, so let me erase this portion. I hope you have completed. From each of these, what we will get? Twice ABC. Okay, twice ABC. So twice ABC as LCM of all this term, denominator of each of the fractional term. Now this divides this one A time A into A square A cube plus this one twice AC is there, it will divide B times B into B square, sorry B cube. Similarly, the last we will get it C cube. Now, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Okay? A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal 3ABC divides by twice ABC. Now 3ABC by twice ABC, here ABC we can cancel, numerator and denominator, so 3 by 2. Oh, right hand side. Here A plus B plus C equals 0. To prove A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal 3A C plus A into B plus A equal 3B B plus C B plus A equal 3C into B plus C and into C plus A. Now, what we have here, let us take since A plus B plus C equals 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube, if we go, then A plus B plus C whole cube minus, there is one theorem, minus 3A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. So we need only B plus C or C plus A, like that. In that case, one thing supposed to be removed, A plus B or B plus C or C plus A. For that reason, we can take if A plus B, then it is equal minus C, or B plus C equal minus A, or C plus A equal minus B. Now A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal, you check, one formula is there, just go to formula. Just see the formula 1. Okay, formula 1 is there. A plus B plus C whole cube equal A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3AB into BC into CA. So in this case, what we can get it, A cube, or let us write completely, A plus B plus C whole cube is equal A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. Now here A plus B plus C whole cube minus 3. If we keep these things, let us see, change this part, what we can get. A plus B, if we change, A plus B is equal minus C. So it is equal, this is equal minus C, okay, into B plus C into C plus A equal A cube plus B cube plus C cube, which means A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to this part, and we know that A plus B plus C is equal to, A plus B plus C is already given 0. Okay, this value is equal to 0. 0 cube minus into minus, it become plus 3C in bracket B plus C, then C plus A is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube, or it can be written as A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal 3C B plus C into C plus A. Okay, this is, let us take as equation 1. This is equation 1. Done? Okay, so again, next step, again same way we will get it here. What we will get, if we bring all this in place of B plus C, if we write something different, this will be A plus B in bracket B plus C is equal minus A. This is also will become same process. Okay, then here minus into plus, minus into minus, it become plus, then this is all is equal to 0. 0 cube plus 3 A plus B and C plus A equal A cube plus B cube plus C cube, which is, we can write A cube plus B cube plus C cube, it is equal 3A A plus B and C plus A. This is equation 2. Okay, this is equation 2. This is equation 2. Just write down. For third also we can write same way. Okay, again this is the same formula we are using, A cube plus B cube plus C cube, sorry, a plus b plus c whole cube is equal a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now here in place of c plus a, if we change last one now, c plus a is equal minus b, then we will get here a plus b, this b plus c, and minus b, minus this will become plus, like this, plus 3b, okay, a plus b, b plus c equal a cube plus b cube plus c cube, or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal 3b a plus b and b plus c. Again this will be another equation, third equation. Okay, third equation. This is third equation. From 1, 2, 3 and 3. What we have, this is the proof. First, this one we got, I think. Second, again like this we got. Third, that way we have. First, second, third, we got that. So we can write proof here.